I would like to introduce
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and I'm coming to you with this wig here. Now, I've had this wig, which was given to me by a company. It's been a while, and you know how inexpensive hair, like synthetic hair, it gets crunchy at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to revamp this wig. We're not going to take all day. I'm going to show you the back. And this is the side. And this is the front. Now the front already has small pieces, like a bang type thing here going on. So I do not want to cut the bang. I don't want to cut too much off the hair. So what we're going to do is, because I want it to stay a side part, we're going to try this with one hand. I wanted to cut it a little shorter. So we're going to use some cheesy scissors that I have. And I'm going to cut off I would say about this much. Just to make it a little tad bit shorter. I mean, if it messes up, hey, it's so we done cut this much off. Then I'm just gonna go in and trim this side. Once I'm done with this side. So I'm gonna come back after I finish trimming up the hair and show you what it looks like.